We are going to learn a valuable lesson here and now. Okay, so this laptop had a 2 gig stick here, and these chips are the built-in memory. So this motherboard has built-in RAM. So, we ran into a problem. Just hold on. All right. I'm going to boot off my flash drive here. And we're going to test the memory. Again, remember, this only has one, it has built-in memory and the 2 gig stick that removed. So this machine had 6, so it's got 4 on board. So we're going to run mem test. And we'll chunk through it faster. So as you can see, it does not detect any RAM modules because the one that it has is empty. Look at that. Bad RAM. Bad RAM on the board. This machine, garbage. Unless you can desolder the memory chips and put new memory chips on. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is ridiculous. This is the reason you don't build in RAM on your motherboard that's soldered in. See this? Garbage.